First, we have to set the setting at the machines based on the vehicle we use. So in this lab, we use the Pro 2 MyV. So at the setting, we have to choose the selection car which is below 3.5 ton. Next, we have to choose no for the trailing hitch because Pro 2 MyV does not have trailing hitch. The car has go through the weighing frame first. So the function of weighing frame is to measure the weight of the vehicle. Next, the car must go through the adherence platform. So the function of adherence is to test and simulate the suspension of the vehicle. After the car go through weighing frame, the remote control screen will display the weight of the vehicle. At remote control screen, it display the result of the adherence test. The car is on the brake tester platform. The car will undergo the brake force test. The brake force test is to simulate the braking force of the vehicle during driving. When the front tire finish the three tests, weighing process, adherence test and the brake force test, we will continue with the rear tire to undergo the three tests, weighing, adherence test and the brake force test. the remote control screen display the result of the test for the front and the rear tire, including the parking situations and also the weight.
Okay, for question 1, based on the inspection and observation, why brake force left hand and right hand must difference less than 30%? Discuss based on Malaysia Puspakom regulation. Malaysia Puspakom have set the regulation that brake force left hand and right hand must difference less than 30%. Is due to the prevent is due to is to prevent the unbalance of braking performance. If the difference is more than 30%, it will cause a vehicle to pull to left or right during braking occurs, resulting a vehicle to lose control and will cause an accident.
Next is question 2. What would happen if adherence difference more than 10%? If the difference is more than 10%, this will cause a vehicle become unbalanced and unstable during driving and braking. This is also cause a passenger and driver can feel the vibration come from the vehicle due to poor vehicle suspension when the vehicle go through the uneven road surface.
Discuss brake force result based on roller testing result. Based on finding of braking force result, according to the Puspacom, the brake force applied from the vehicle is 70% of overall brake efficiency, which means it will pass the test where the pass percentage is should be more than 58%. The front brake imbalance percentage for this vehicle is 30%, while the rear brake imbalance percentage is 10%. Based on the result, this vehicle passed the test following the specification is much less than 30%.
For the conclusion, in this lab, we have learned on how to do side slip tests, measuring the car weight, adherence, and brake tests using the brake tester mechanism. We have successfully completed all the objectives in this lab. Using the brake tester, we can measure and achieve all the car weight, adherence, and brake tests. The highlight of this lab was the experience to use the brake tester and slip test machine. In conclusion, this lab activity have give us a new knowledge.